You have to do it. There's not much more. Hold the top so it doesn't come out. Okay.
I just suck it.
Like you're smoking. You know.
Where's the hole?
You'll see it. Just open. No. Put your mouth on the whole thing. Put your mouth on this whole thing.
Okay.
Hello.
This isn't very fun. Old helium. We're gonna die. We're gonna die?
Next slide, please. That's really funny. Hello, hello. It's kind of going away. Next slide, please. Hello.